Hello, how you doing? Danny DeHeck is my name. I'm actually a full-time YouTuber. People often ask me, how do I make money being a YouTuber? I go, well, I don't. I actually make money by doing drop shipping. And that's what I've been doing online sales for probably about 18, 20 years. But in the last 6 years, I've been doing a lot of drop shipping. And we've done quite well by doing drop shipping. And what we're doing now is we set up ready to go drop shipping websites for people who want to get into the drop shipping industry. And I've got a pretty cool website which I'd like to show you. It was originally a custom built website for a client, and there's a bit of a story to it, but it's a good story. And now we are actually selling this website as a going concern. So let me show you what we have got here. The website is called Fitness Zone, and the domain name is called fitnesszone.co.nz. So if you purchase this website, you purchase everything. The platform that it runs on is actually Shopify, and Shopify is just world class when it comes to everything. So the theme that we build on is a paid theme. And if you buy a paid theme, it will load fast. It will help with the search engine optimization, and it ranks really well. And also you have all the payment gateways. So if somebody was to click on add to cart, it pops up a nice box. You go to checkout, and now the individual can use Shop to pay, or they can use Google Pay, or if you're on an Apple, which I am, I don't know why it hasn't come up with Apple Pay, but you can come through here, put your credit card number in, and before you know it, order the goods. And it's, as they say, easy peasy lemon squeezy for people to make orders. Now, all the products that you see in here, we get them from our suppliers. We teach you how to write the descriptions. We teach you how to make them rank in search engines. So we say to people, this is the worst scenario. Now, none of our websites are, well, a couple of them I do pay $5 a day advertising. But most of these websites that we sell, we teach people how to optimize the products, how to find the right products from the suppliers that we give access to. We optimize them so they come up in the search results. So it can be as simple as a product like this. Somebody comes along to Google, they search. You can do the paid advertising along here, or you can see the product comes up freely in the search engines. And that's basically how we do it. So we teach you everything you need to know. We have online tutorial videos done by me. And we also do videos like this you're watching. If you get stuck, I'll do a short video and I'll teach you how to do it. So let me show you this website from A to Z so you know exactly what you've got. So first of all, we've got 5 sliders along the top, and they'll randomly scroll. We've got what we call our mosaics, and each of those, if you click on them, will go into that category. Then we've got collections. So we just make it visually pleasing to somebody, and then you can see, didn't mean to click on that. So you can sort of get an eye with the homepage. So I'll show you some other websites near the end of this, so you get the idea that you can actually do anything you like with this area. But as long as all the products are loaded and they're ready to be purchased, nothing's stopping this website being your next perfect side hustle. And that's what we like to sell them as. Also blogs. Now I'm just going to shut these down as we go. Now, what was that one? That was the homepage. We've doubled up. So the About Us page, one thing about Shopify I don't like is they don't allow you to make a very glamorous homepage. So it's a bit clunky, but to be honest, people just want to know who you are, how the shop works, and answer a few basic questions. So we don't focus on that. There's always room for improvement when it comes to the About Us page. Best sellers, well, currently this shop has 81 products that have been preloaded, and we've set them up and optimized them. They're trending products. An ideal shop, what I'd like to see is 1,000 products. So that might seem a bit daunting when you start. And that's why we spend a lot of time making sure you know how to import products, how to tidy them up. But what we've done here, this is obviously the best sellers, which is just a category that displays all the products that we've got in the shop. And we do this basically for SEO, so they rank, and we'll explain that all to you. All collections, each collection has a beautiful picture, and you can see that, and they all are interactive when you hold your mouse over them, which is pretty cool. That's also good for SEO, having the nice pictures like that. And then you've got 10 categories, which you can expand and add categories anytime you like. But we would encourage you to keep the 10 that we've picked out. We've gone through and figured out what categories are the best. And you can build, this is like a tree stump versus branches versus twigs. We've got 10 really good branches that you can build on. And then all you need to do is fill these up, and away you go. So we've got apparel, which is clothing. Clothing's a good and a bad thing sometimes. You've got to make sure you've got sizing graphs. But the way it's going at the moment, our suppliers are supplying those as well. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes to add a product. I can add a product in 2 minutes. Normally when I'm on the phone to a client that's looking for a certain TV remote, I can normally find the remote from our suppliers and add it within a minute or two. So you'll get better like that. Bags, you can see that's sold out. This one here is sold out because the supplier is probably out. They may have more stock coming in, and then this will automatically update it. All the products talk directly to the suppliers, which is fantastic. We have the software that we call the Magic Source. Gloves. So this whole purpose of this shop originally was all around the fitness industry. So anything to do with fitness, you will see it in the shop. So you think you get the idea. We've got 3 more categories. Headphones, so you could have electronics, dumbbells, and then we've got yoga mats, and all the products that we've got in here at the moment we know sell really, really well. Now, what we've got here is blogs. Now, blogs are a great way to promote things. I often say to people, blogs are actually like fishhooks, and you can write a blog and attract a certain type of person. So technically speaking, when I encourage somebody to take over a site like this, I tell them to produce 100 blogs. They go, 100? And I go, yes, but we have how-to videos. One of my how-to videos shows people how to add 10 blogs in 30 minutes. So it doesn't have to necessarily take all the time, but what you really want to do is create a blog, and you know that when somebody searches for the product, the title of the blog will actually come up, freely like that in the results, and that's what you want. So when people click on them, they find it. So it's all about having the titles that people will search for, having the content that people are looking for. So, for example, you've got a category on your website about bags. So we've created a whole blog, and in here we mention about gym bags. Ooh, I've got funny mouth today. Yoga bags, backpacks, duffel bags, all the bags that we store have in the shop are talked about in our blog. So I publish a blog just about every second day, and I publish it so you can do the same. And we'll teach you some tips when it comes to marketing as well. Stay hydrated blog, maximum workout and fitness tech blog, unlock the power of resistance and training blog, discover essential yoga gear, enhance your performance. So you sort of get the idea that we've got all these sort of blogs, but it's a great site. We've also got everything taken care of. So when COVID happened, we sold a lot of products online, and we didn't really have our support in order. So from that experience, we've created all the frequently asked questions that people may ask us, and we've put them all into what we call the support area. And people can answer like, do you have a physical address? We don't have a physical store, nor do we hold any stock. We pride ourselves on affordable fitness products and the like. So you can sort of, all these here are here to answer those questions that you may be a bit nervous about answering when people send you an email, but you can literally copy them from here and paste them back. And with the use of, Grok and AI these days, you don't even really need to answer the questions. We'll put much thought into it. But we've got all that figured out for you. Contact us page. We may need to put a different color on that one so you can see it, but people can contact you, and then we tell them, in case you've missed it, we're 100% online. We have no physical addresses. So at the bottom here of the website, we have a summary of our website. We have all the Navigation, people can sign up for the newsletters, and then we have the physical address of where they can return stuff, gives them peace of mind, and also my company information, which can be yours. Now, you don't have to set up a company, you can be a sole trader. In fact, what I recommend doing is you set up a bank account with a debit card, use the debit card to buy the products from the supplier, and then when the money comes through on Shopify, it goes into your bank account, and that means you can run this on a few $100s a month. You don't have to have big money involved. And my goal for everyone is to cover the running costs, which might seem like I know you're excited and you want this to be the next best thing since sliced bread, but at the end of the day, what we're telling people, let's get the money back that you pay per month for the Shopify and also the plugin that we use. So together, those two things cost $100 a month. So what we tell people is just focus on getting $200 or $300 worth of sales in a month, so it doesn't cost you anything. And then I'll teach you how to build this up so that it can make some serious money. So talking about serious money, this is what the website has done so far. It's already had $1,000 worth of sales. We built this website. It was a custom built website for a customer. They already had their own business, and it basically become, I think we'll get around to it, but never really got into adding all the products that we recommend. So we will teach you. So as I said, this website does have a bit of a history, but you can click in here and you see the products. You can actually see the customers that we've got, and look at that one. Didn't even take the money on that one. Lost interest in this one, unfortunately, but you'll get the idea. We'll teach you everything. So let's see. Let's go back. So this is Coffee Lovers. This is another website that we run and manage ourselves, and we just sell coffee products. And this is built with the same theme. This website here has been going since 2018. It's done $183,000 worth of sales. Now, normally out of that, 50% of that is total profit. And when I say 50%, that means that everything it costs to run the shop, the whole 9 yards, is 50% is buying the products, running the website, any advertising you do. 50% of that is cost, and the other 50% is total profit. And that's how we've worked out. So each of these shops have, when we import a product might cost $2. We actually put 500% markup on it. And then when people buy it, they need to pay $7 shipping, and that normally covers us for the price of shipping that our supplier charges. So there's a lot of profit to be made. We've got about 20 different levels of profit that we put onto shops so that you can make good profit. So that's basically Coffee Lovers, and that's an existing store, and that's how we make our living by selling products on here. Another one that I have is called NZ Outdoors. Now, we do a lot of research before we buy these shops. So this one used to be called campinggear.co.nz. We sold about $7,000 or $8,000 worth of products on its first year, and it just didn't really take off enough for us. So then I rebranded the website, called it NZ Outdoors, and now we can add different categories. So for example, when you go to shop now, we've got camping, and you can see that I've got more than 10 categories under camping. Cycling, I've got about 8. Fishing, got 5. Home, got two categories, and sportswear, I've got 5 categories. So we've added categories as time's gone on, and you can do the same. But what I was getting at is the fact that not all shops take off. It's getting the formula right. So even though you might have a friend that said they tried it, didn't work, it is a real formula. So we do a lot of research on what works and what's selling, what's trending, and then we put it into a store. And because we've got knowledge of what products do sell and what ones don't sell, then we share that knowledge. We share our experience, knowledge, and skills with you. All right, so how well is this store done? Well, it's done $107 with $107,000 worth of sales since it's been going, and it's been going since 2017. But like, we have your good days and your bad days, and but the point is, I've sort of lost a bit of interest, to be honest. Hence why we're now putting these together and selling them, giving people the opportunity of doing it. There is a bit of work keeping the products up to date. But if you only have one shop to look after and not like 6 like we used to have, it's you can spend a lot more time. This is one that's really interesting. This is called remotes.co.nz, and I sell just TV remotes. We have maybe 500 or 600 different TV remotes. So this is a store that just sells one type of product. So your store may just start selling one type of product. and then you can expand on that store. So just recently with this shop, I thought, I know what I'll do. I should just get that 100%. I will start selling garage door remotes. So you click on garage door, and now we're selling a whole lot of garage door remotes. And I don't know much about garage door remotes, but the first couple of orders, the feedback I get from the customers will help me decide whether I carry on selling them. But my point is, even though I'm selling TV remotes, I've decided to expand. And just recently, I've also added some keyboards into here as well that people can buy. But if you want to know, we can have a look. And so far, this shop has only been going since January 2021. So 3 years. 3 years? Is that right? 4 years? I don't know. I'm losing track. But anyway, we've had $111,000 worth of sales. Half of that money is profit. So it sort of gives you an idea on drop shipping. If you're interested in looking at one of those drop shipping shops, reach out to me. This video will be on YouTube, and if you look in the description, you will see a link to the Trade Me listing. It will tell you how much it is. And also, if you're on the Trade Me listing watching the video, you can go to my YouTube channel. Just search for Danny DeHeck, and you'll be able to find this video or my Trade Me listings. Just reach out to me. If you give me a phone number when you contact me, I can ring you back, or your email address, and ask any questions. We're here to help, and hopefully we'll see you in the not too distant future.